In this video, I'm going to show you how to put text behind a person in Photoshop. So the first thing you need is of course a photo with a person. In my case, I have Luka Doncic from the Dallas Mavericks over here. And then of course you need some text which you would like to put behind that person. So once you get on the text on your image, you want to put it in front of the image, kind of like how you would want it to be back, like the back of the person, but just leave it in front. And then once that's done, you want to hide this layer so we can focus specifically on this the person. And then the easiest way to do this is simply by pressing select subject down here. It will load in for a second, and then as you can see, it made a rough selection, but for now this is actually good. Okay, what you then have to do is simply create a copy of the layer that was made, but as you can see, it's not precisely selected. However, for this matter, this doesn't really matter because we're going to be putting text just behind over here, so it only matters that this area over here around like his shoulders and stuff like that, from the upside of his chest to his forehead, is selected, and we can make a copy of it. Okay, and then what you want to do is press Ctrl and C and then press Ctrl and V, which will paste another layer of Luka Doncic on this image, okay, on the working area. Then what you want to do is reveal the text layer and simply put it behind this layer, as you can see, behind the copied Luka Doncic layer, and that's it. You've got yourself text behind a person in Photoshop.